Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Indian Pharma Guide. Today we will discuss about introduction of gas chromatography. Gas chromatography is one of the chromatographic technique used to separate the complex mixtures into individual components. In gas chromatography, gas is used as a mobile phase and solid or liquid is used as a stationary phase. Gas chromatography is mainly divided into two types, gas solid chromatography and gas liquid chromatography. Principle for gas solid chromatography is adsorption and principle for gas liquid chromatography is partition. Here gas solid chromatography is not widely used because of it contains a less number of the stationary phases, and only gas liquid chromatography is widely used in pharmacy. In gas chromatography, we need to inject the samples in vaporized form because of we are using the mobile phase in gaseous form. If the components are more soluble in the stationary phase, travel slower and eluted later, and if the components are less soluble in the stationary phase, travels faster and eluted first. Components are separated depending upon their partition coefficient. Because of principle for gas liquid chromatography is the partition, so that's why the components are separated according to their partition coefficient. There are two criteria for components to be analyzed by the gas chromatography. First one volatility and second one thermostability. First one volatility. Volatility means if our compound is volatile in nature, it cannot be mixed with the mobile phase. Hence volatility is most important. Second one thermostability. If we have taken any of the sample, that sample contains a complex compounds. So all the components will not be in the form of a vapor. There will be a solids as well as a liquid samples. Hence to convert them into a vapor form, they have to be heated to a high temperature. So at that temperature, the compounds have to be the thermostable. If they are not the thermostable, the compounds cannot be analyzed by the gas chromatography because of we are using a gaseous mobile phase in gas chromatography. Now we will see how gas chromatography machine will work. If we will divide these working in three steps. In first step, a vaporized sample is injected into the chromatographic column. In second step, the sample moves through the column through the flow of an inert gas. So we are using the inert gas or carrier gas as the mobile phase. In third step, that is the final step, the components are recorded as a sequence of the peaks as they leave the column. Finally, we identified that complex compounds are separated into individual components by obtaining the peak structures. Chromatographic separation. This chromatographic separation deals with both the stationary phase and the mobile phase. Here, the inert gas used as a carrier gas as a mobile phase, and the liquid coated on a solid or solid within a column is used as a stationary phase in gas chromatography. This is a schematic diagram of a gas chromatography, and this is an official instrument of the gas chromatography.